We're gonna go outside and show you how. I gotta hold on my phone.
Be careful.
Yes, it's slippery out here. Will you hold my drink? Oh gosh. Here we go. First time outside today, besides our deck. Oh, there's nobody out here. Hold on. Yeah, there's somebody out here. This is what it looks like. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? It's blowing me. Oh, you don't want to see me. Oh, yeah, I don't want to get too close. This isn't the vodkas today. I've only had a couple.
No, that's not true.
That is true. Okay.
I've had
Okay. So I've had 4 vodkas. Sprites. I know. They even said they stop and get you if you fall.
I don't want to get you.
They never stop and pick me up if I fall.
But still, I want you to. That's what
I'm not gonna fall. Oh shit. Oh, that's strong. Oh, I feel the water spraying on me. Okay, it doesn't even look very rough out there. Okay, that's good. It about blew the phone out of my hand. It's beautiful. It's a little bit chilly, but isn't that pretty? Such a good time. We met so many people that have traveled all over the world and given us tips. So it's so fun. I love taking the old people's cruise. Oh gosh, okay, we're going back in the bar. Oh geez. Whew. Man, it is rough out there. Okay, so we're in the bar now. Okay, so now that we're in our seat, this is what we look out at. It's so wet outside. The windows are damp. Well, they're not damp, they're wet. And you can't really see that much. It just looks so smooth when you look like this. But when you're walking around, it's not smooth at all. It's like I've been drinking for 3 days. I have been drinking for 3 days, but
That's true.
isn't he cute? Look how cute he is.
No,
Isn't
stop.
he cute? You're so cute.
No, definitely not.
He is so cute. Okay, well, that's it. I have nothing else to say. We're just drinking and playing in the casino.
Another day at sea.
Hey, I won some money at the casino. How much did I win?
You're a grand total of $38.
Pretty good. Pretty good. So here's
Playing the
my...
penny slots.
Yes.
My favorite to play.
Yeah, he likes the penny slots. So, here's my theory. I'm thinking that this is the first week, and they're going to let you win. They're going to get you on the second week.
That's probably true.
Yeah. So, we are going to keep winning this first week. Let's not hold on to it for the second week. We'll see. It's pretty fun in there.
You smoke.
I like the casino. It's loosey-goosey in there. It's fun. Okay, signing off. Abroad.
Peace.
See y'all.
Peace.